Wednesday. So, I'm making breakfast already. Ito, nilagyan natin ng ham yung kanilang eggs. Para maiba naman. Sobra yung pagod ko kahapon, guys. Hindi ako nagising sa alarm ko. Ang alarm ko kasi is 4:30, 5 o'clock, and 5:30. So, hindi tayo nagising dun sa 4:30 at saka sa 5 o'clock. So, nagising tayo sa 5:30. Diba? Nakakaloka. Inis ako. Kaya maghahagulgul na naman ako sa oras. Ready na yung breakfast nila. Gisingin na natin sila. So, ayan. Ayan. Ayan, ayan. Daming kalat. No, baby, you don't have a ballet this week.
Why?
I turn off the light for you, sir.
Sorry, where am I going? Where am I going?
Huh?
Where am I going?
Go on the other side. No.
Where am I
Oh,
going?
there. Report. Report.
Oh,
Here,
yeah.
Chad. You want ketchup? Chad, ketchup?
Yeah.
Hand it to me. You know what? This is Troy. Go get your plate right there. Chad. Troy.
Is this one with sissies? I don't want ketchup. Bye.
Yeah.
Ketchup.
I did not put any ketchup.
The red.
There. Ito na yung kanilang lunch, guys. Ayan. Peanut butter and jelly. Grapes. And some oatmeal pie. And some goldfish. Ham and cheese. Peanut butter and jelly. Oh, diba?
Today.
Huh? No, it's fine. Come on. Get a picture.
Look.
Troy, right there.
Mom, just look.
Okay, look. Look at me. 1, 2, 3, cheese. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Cheese.
Chad, really? Right, 1, 2, 3.
Cheese.
Alright. Troy, by yourself.
Oh.
Where is it? It did not kill it? That's alright. Ay, may spider daw. Alright. Troy, Chad, go. Chad, go. Troy, did you go pee-pee?
Didn't need it.
No, you need to pee now because before you go to school.
In your butt.
Yeah, just sit right there.
Dang.
Right here, just sit right there. I think, Chad, I think he wants you to move and go to the other chair.
Alright. Mom, do you want me to hold the GoPro?
It still has to stay there.
What if
I'm
you
just
fall?
gonna heat it up. You got Chad, heat up you and Troy's seat right there. Caleb, you wanna heat your seat?
No problem.
Yes. Can I choose the song, please?
What song? We're not doing any song.
Please.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, I found it.
Caleb, can I please?
Can you tell me what song that I should
So let's go, guys.
Go to YouTube.
So, yung reason kung bakit ko sila ihahatid, guys, is...
What? Bonnie song.
Just wait. Kasi, yung... Wait lang. Yung teacher kasi ni Troy is nag-send out ng note about dun sa kanyang tawag na to, yung kanyang dental form, and sinend ko na yon nung meet the teacher. And ngayon, I don't know kung binigay nung assistant dun sa ano, kaya kakausapin natin yung teacher. Pero alam nyo guys, parang kino-considered ko na parang gusto ko na lang na like ihatid na lang sila in the morning kasi sobrang chaotic yung ating ano na yung morning natin, kaya parang parang inaano ko na ihatid na lang sila in the morning sa school, and then they will ride the bus home. So parang ganun. But anyways, alright, who's ready?
Me.
You ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
And I'm gonna put on some music.
Alright, dito na kami sa school, guys. Alright, let's go.
It would be what? Somewhere be as big as this parking lot combined with the school.
Dude, you got white stuff
The
in your
pizza
face.
flex. I'll build it.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Right there. I'll build it. I'll cut down those trees. Build a bit.
Alright, what's for the...
Use something to chop it down.
Alright, wait. Caleb, just wait.
Chainsaw. No chainsaw.
Just wait, just wait.
Well, what
So I am ano ba yun? So I am home, guys.
Hi.
So meron akong doctor's appointment today. Dalawa yung doctor's appointment ko, pero sa isang building lang siya. So yung isa it's for my health. Yung isa naman is dermatologist. Kasi 'di ba, kung naalala nyo is sinasabi ako sa inyo na nagaano yung hair ko, like ang tawag nun is psoriasis, na para siyang balakubak, pero para talaga siyang balakubak, pero hindi. Psoriasis ang tawag sa kanya. Ewan ko bakit napunta sa ulo ko, imbes na sa katawan na lang, sa ulo pa talaga pumunta. Kaya sobra, kung nakikita nyo lagi ako ganyan na ganyan sa ulo ko, ang kate, sobra. Para kala mo meron akong kuto na ewan, pero ang kate, my God, as in. Kaya ayun ang ipapacheck natin again, kasi parang like 1 taon na ata akong hindi pumupunta sa dermatologist, dahil nga wala lang, hindi ko lang kasi yung binibigay niya sa aking shampoo, parang doon naglagas yung buhok ko. Kaya, pero matagal-tagal na. Pero ngayon kasi parang sobrang kate talaga ng ko, parang like hindi ko na siya matake. Like kahit na anong shampoo gamitin ko, wala pa rin siyang kaya, oh my God. So yun, yeah, mamaya alis na ako ng about 9, kasi ang appointment ko is 10:15. So, and then the other one is 11:15. O diba, magkasunod. So yun, si Natalia may iwan siya kay daddy niya. What are you doing? Yeah, may iwan si Natalia kay daddy niya. So go check over there, daddy in the bathroom if daddy needs if daddy's done. Dali. So okay naman ang aking asawa, guys. Nakakatayo na siya ng maayos, na hindi na kailangan ng tulong. Okay. So nakakatayo na siya ng maayos at hindi na needed ng help. They're drinking coffee. So guys, punta na tayo sa aking doctor's appointment. don't worry, nandito pa lang ako sa road namin. So yeah, meron akong 2 appointments today. It's gonna be another busy day dahil may another practice na naman, and hindi pwedeng drive or anything yung asawa ko, so ako na yung pupunta na naman for practice, kaya nakakaloka. But yeah, so let's go sa ating appointment. So I'm here guys sa doctor's appointment. I'm so tired today. I'm already tired. Thank you. So, dito na ako sa room, guys. Tignan nyo, ang ganda ng mga painting. Ang ganda ng painting, oh. I like that one. Ang ganda niya. Excuse me. So, ayan. Meron din pa pala dyan, no? Ang cute niya. Oh my gosh, I like that one. Pumpkin. Ang cute. Tapos meron tayong malaking TV dito. Ay, meron pala. Ang daming painting. By Erica nakalagay. Yun kasi yung name ng doctor para sa dermatologist, Erica. So, lahat ng drawing dito name by Erica. Ang ganda. Wala lang. Na-share ko lang. So guys, nandito ako sa sa gas station. Bumili ako ng lunch. O diba ako na talaga. Kahapon iba yung aking lunch. Ngayon iba na naman ang aking lunch. So, meron tayong sauce. Chicken lang ang binili ko. And kasi merong inano sa akin na aray ko putang init. Merong medicine or yung aking dermatologist, meron siyang sinend out sa pharmacy namin and kailangan kong kunin. And then yung asawa ko nag-ano siya sa kanyang doctor kung pwede siyang bigyan ng medicine. So hihintayin natin ang mga yon na ma-feel yung Tapos ang dami kong mga guys na gagawin na mga lab test na gagawin. Ang hirap pala talaga kapag tumatanda ka na, no? Marami kang mga lab test na kailangan gawin. Oh my gosh. So, ayan. Chicken tender lang yung binili ko dito sa gas station. Ang init. Ang init. So, kailangan makauwi ako ng bago lumabas yung mga bata sa school. Kasi, walang magsusundo sa kanila. Dahil yung asawa ko is hindi pa siya pwedeng mag-drive or anything. Nakakapaglakad-lakad na siya ng maayos. Na walang tulong. Pupunta kayo. Mahulog kayo lahat. So guys, nandito na kami ni Natalia sa bus stop. So today's Troy's first ride bus. First time niya mag-ride ng bus. Oh my god. Exciting! So we'll see how it goes sa kanyang first day of riding the bus. And then we'll see how it goes tomorrow also, kung anong oras tayo matatapos in the morning. Kasi we had to be here by 6:30. Huh? It's alright. Huh? I did. See? See, I vlogged you. So, yeah. We will see kung anong oras tayo. Kasi we need to be here 6:30 or we have to leave at the house at 6:30. So, para maabot natin yung bus. But pag hindi pa tayo tapos sa 6:30, that means ano na talaga, I will drop them off in the morning and then magra-ride na lang talaga sila ng bus in the afternoon. So, ayun ang plan natin mangyayari. So, yeah, it's 2:36 na. Kasi, kailan ba yun? Kahapon? No, the other day, nung nag-ride sila ng bus, like 2:50, doon pa lang sila dumating. Kaya, I don't know kung anong oras sila darating ngayon. Hopefully on time. Diba, Sissy? You want me to turn the up? There you go. Ay, arte naman nito. So, nakatulog ako pag uwi ko sa bahay. Dahil talaga antok na antok ako. Si Natalia din, nag-nap din siya. Kaya siya ganyan. Dahil ginising ko lang siya. So, yan. Dito kami waiting sa bus. Tignan nyo yung ating temperature. 92 degrees. And may practice tayo mamaya. Oh my gosh. Ang init-init. Tignan nyo yan. Tapos pag mainit, magrereklamo. Pag malamig, magrereklamo. Nakakaloka ang buhay to.
Alright. Oh, wow. Hey, I'm looking for a couch to crash on. Tonight shouldn't be the night I go home with anyone. I've been out walking on the rougher patch now, but I must say, living on the edge of things has been kind of fun. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break?
Dito na kami sa practice. Sobrang init, my gosh. It was like 95 degrees. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. There we go. Dala ko yung aking iPad, guys, dahil mag-e-edit ako ng vlog habang nandito ako. Mag-e-edit tayo. 99. Hirap na hirap din si Kaylo bitbitin yung kagamit niya, oh.
That will be super fun.
Say hi.
Hi. Oh.
Get it.
Walk away.
You can get it. Oh, hold that one. Ito naman si umbrella. Hold this one. Then I'll...
It's like so.
Oh my gosh. Can you put it by yourself? Yeah, you can. There you go. So kami lang tatlo, guys. Wala si Troy, ay si Natalia at saka si Kuya kasi naiwan sila kay Daddy. Aray ko yung pa... You're stepping on my feet, boy. What are you doing?
We can't reach.
You can't reach? Well,
How about you?
how about you?
I can't reach. I need help.
Ayun na si Caleb.
Morning. Say good morning. Hello. And how are you? How are you? How are you?
Kaya kaganina pa nag-i-start si Troy. Okay. Run, Troy, run! Faster, faster!